be installing the Baja Designs Squadron Sport off-road racing lights on the 22 Polaris General. And I hope you enjoy this episode. We're going to do the install and the after effects after we have them installed. We'll try to do a little bit of night shooting with them and see how it works out. Enjoy the episode. So, just to get us going here, this is the 22 Polaris General Ultimate Edition that we've already made a couple of episodes on, and you guys really liked the content, so we are going to continue on with this little series. So if you've never seen a bus bar set up under these, this is where it's at under the hood. Let me see if I can zoom this out a little bit. Nope. But all the wiring, mount ups and stuff that we've done previously with the horn kit, the road legal kit, if I can speak today, that we put on here, worked out really well. The bus bar was perfect for getting the power to and from and everything else, so pretty impressed with that. We're going to go and kick this dash off here and get it going. So while I have a second here, if you can see it, these are the Baja Designs Squadron Sports. We just have the mounting brackets loosely put on at the moment and are working on drilling out the front end of the machine where the wiring harness is going to go through at. And this wiring harness, we were able to depin it, and so we're going to be able to put the factory connectors back on the other side and keep this clean. Didn't have to drill a overly egregious hole to get to that point, but try to bring it where you can see it a little bit. But these Baja Squadron Sports are freaking slick. I mean, that's a very nice, very, very nice light. And these are heavy, like it's very well made. And shout out to Full Well Parts in Weatherford, Texas. That's where we picked these up today. We are going to bring this machine up to the event that they're going to have next week on Saturday. I'll put the details in this linked below, but it's going to be a fun time. Come out, see the machine, and buy some stuff from Full Well Parts. They've got a good selection of parts, and I really, really enjoyed dealing with their service techs and the salesmen. They're awesome. Quick video of what the light looks like from the driver's view. This is just the low beams on the machine normal. Those are the high beams on the machine. And those are the two sports that we put on.